Today we're taking a look at the Tesla stock, ticker symbol Tesla, in anticipation of the upcoming Monday, July 10, 2023 trading day. Welcome back to Capital Consultant. Let's dive right into it. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and to click the bell icon to get notified as soon as these videos are released so that you have more time to plan out your trades as we provide these stock analysis videos on a daily basis after market close. I can guarantee that you'll have all the important information that you'll need on this stock heading into the upcoming trading day after fully watching this video. One more thing before we start: if you would like access to our daily watch lists, stock picks, option picks, and more, then check out our Patreon in the link down below. Now let's get started. Let's first begin with a brief overview and analysis of the stock in a general sense, and then following that, we will delve deeper into the stock's specific performance and action, focusing primarily on the upcoming trading day. On Friday, July 7, 2023, the Tesla stock commenced trading at $278.43 and concluded at $274.43. Throughout the day, the stock price decreased by 0.76%, fluctuating from $276.54 to $274.43. Trading activity saw 112.6 million shares exchanged, equivalent to approximately $30.92 billion. The stock experienced a trading range between $273.77 as the lowest point and $280.78 as the highest point on the last trading day. Notably, this stock's 52-week high stands at $314.67, while its 52-week low rests at $101.81. When compared to the previous trading day, there were 7 million fewer shares traded, which is a good sign as the stock price decreased. Considering its risk level, this stock is categorized as very steady, carrying a very small chance of distress. You should also know that this stock responds to the market. Insider trading activity in Tesla indicates a predominantly negative sentiment, with insiders selling more shares than they are buying. Over the past 100 trades, there were 617.73 thousand shares purchased, while a significantly larger quantity of 2.45 million shares were sold. The most recent trade occurred 3 days ago when Kirkhorn Zachary sold 3.75 thousand shares. Overall, the pattern suggests that insiders are generally more inclined to sell their stocks rather than acquire them. While there can be multiple reasons behind this behavior, it is commonly interpreted as a negative signal. Tesla has been in the spotlight lately for various reasons. One noteworthy development is their commitment to promoting core socialist values in collaboration with Chinese auto manufacturers. Additionally, Tesla remains the dominant player in the electric vehicle market, holding a substantial 60% share. Their influence expanded further as they incorporated Mercedes-Benz, a prominent German auto manufacturer, into their supercharger network. Looking ahead, the upcoming earnings announcement scheduled for July 19, 2023, could have a significant impact on stock trends. The Tesla stock shows favorable buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Furthermore, there is an overall buy signal derived from the relationship between these two signals, as the short-term average surpasses the long-term average. You should also know that when the stock price surpasses the long-term average, it triggers a buy signal, indicating a favorable outlook. Conversely, if the stock price falls below the short-term average, it generates a sell signal, suggesting a less favorable outlook. This stock has a mild bullish 3-day candlestick pattern. There is a breakout watch above the $287.22 level on the Tesla stock. There is a bearish deliberation pattern forming on the 1-month time frame, which has medium reliability and indicates a bearish reversal. From a technical standpoint, there are indications of a potentially positive trend in Tesla's performance. The company's current price trend surpasses both the 50-day moving average of $210.26 and the slightly lower 200-day moving average of $194.22. This typically signifies positive momentum. In terms of the relative strength index, it currently sits at a relatively neutral 58, indicating that the asset is neither overbought nor oversold. Furthermore, the MACD value of 22.43 suggests an upward trend, adding to the bullish momentum. Considering the current overall short-term trend, it is anticipated that there will be a rise in the stock price. As of the last trading day, the most recent daily candle on the chart is red. This indicates that the sellers, or in other words, the bears, dominated the trading session. The session was predominantly bearish, characterized by a trading volume of 112.6 million. This volume is 22% fewer compared to the average volume typically observed for Tesla, which stands at 138 million. The stock is currently trading within the upper range of yearly prices. Tesla is trading above its 5-day exponential moving average and below its 5-day simple moving average. While it's trading above its 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200-day exponential moving averages and simple moving averages. This is a good sign for the stock's trend. Now moving on to the daily technical side of things, this is what we can conclude. The average true range indicator is showing less volatility. While the stochastic, MACD, relative strength index, average directional index, Williams percent range, rate of change, ultimate oscillator, and commodity channel index indicators are all positive. RSI, relative strength index. At present, multiple technical indicators are aligning towards a positive signal, indicating a buy for the stock. However, it's important to recognize that relying solely on these technical indicators may not yield substantial outcomes. Let's now delve into the analysis and prediction of Tesla's price movement for the upcoming trading day, Monday, July 10, 2023. Bear in mind that if the stock price is below $276.33, there is a higher likelihood of a downside potential. Conversely, if the stock price is trading above $276.33, the possibility of an upside movement is higher. Based on the closing price of the last trading day, the current pivot point for this stock is located at the $276.33 level. Additionally, it has support at the $271.87, $269.32, and $264.86 levels, and resistance at the $278.88, $284.25, and $285.89 levels. Now, I will outline a few potential Tesla stock trades for the upcoming trading day, 2 bullish trades and 2 bearish trades. Feel free to explore other similar trades based on the information provided in this video thus far, depending on your bullish or bearish sentiment towards this stock. Remember that when a support level is breached, it often transforms into a resistance level. Similarly, when a resistance level is surpassed, it tends to act as a support level. For the bullish trade, consider opening a long position if within the first 30 minutes of trading, the stock continues to respect the $271.87 level as a support. Aim to enter the trade as close as possible to that support level, keeping in mind that this would be a short-term trade. Now bulls, if you're looking to trade Tesla, then you're obviously looking to take profit during the day, and so my recommendation for taking profit on this first bullish trade would be starting to do so somewhere near the resistance level of $278.88. The second bullish trade involves monitoring whether the $278.88 resistance level is broken at least 30 minutes after the market opens and then holds as a support level for a considerable period. This scenario suggests a short-term bullish outlook, and in this case, consider taking a long position as close as possible to the new $278.88 support level. When it comes to taking profits on the second bullish trade, consider doing so around the next resistance level of $284.25. It is advisable to close your position in small percentage increments as the stock progresses, rather than closing it entirely in one go. Incremental closures in 25% increments are recommended. Now, for the bearish trade, if the stock continues to respect the $278.88 level as a resistance after at least 30 minutes of the market opening, it may be suitable for opening or adding to a short trade position near that resistance level. Keep in mind that this would be short-term trade. Now bears, if you're looking to trade Tesla, then you're obviously going to be looking to take profit during the day, and so my recommendation for taking profit on this first bearish trade would be starting to do so somewhere around the $271.87 support level. In the second bearish trade, monitor if the $271.87 support level is broken at least 30 minutes after the market opens and then holds as a resistance level for a substantial duration. This scenario implies a short-term bearish outlook. In this case, consider taking a short trade position as close as possible to the new $271.87 resistance level. For taking profits on the second bearish trade, consider doing so around the next support level of $269.32. It is also advisable to close your position in small percentage increments as the stock moves, rather than closing it entirely all at once. As mentioned previously, incremental closures in 25% increments are recommended. I want to emphasize the importance of taking profits near the target levels provided for all these trades, as it is crucial for ensuring profitability. These trades are short-term with a high probability of profit, and when executed correctly, they can accumulate significant gains. Remember to implement this strategy effectively to maximize your results. Whether you choose to adopt a bullish, bearish, or even a combination of both approaches for this stock, I wish you the best of luck with your trades. We value your feedback and encourage you to share your thoughts on this analysis. Feel free to leave a comment below and let us know your perspective. That's all for now, so if you have any other stocks you'd like analyzed, then leave a comment down below with the stocks you'd like analyzed, subscribe to our channel, leave a like on this video, and we'll get to it as soon as we possibly can.